something to them. You're not taking something from them. You are gifting them. You are showing up in their life to give them the greatest gift of all. And bear in mind, let's be rational here. There are people that aren't ready to receive that gift, and they'll actually take it as an insult. That happens. I'm sure we've all been in scenarios where we bought something for someone, a birthday present, a Christmas present. It came from love, and they didn't actually appreciate it. They didn't like it. They didn't want it. It wasn't something they were interested in, and we feel personally hurt by that. You got to be able to hold the belief that I know I'm giving something to someone regardless of how they take it. And this also goes back to how you can have an unbelievable amount of frame control, which also ties into emotional regulation or stability, because my belief of what I'm doing for someone on a sales call is impartial of how they take it. It's immovable, it's unbreakable, it's unshakable, it's unchangeable. I know I'm giving this to them as a gift. If they don't take it well, the teacher appeared and the student wasn't ready. That's okay. It is what it is. But I go to bed every night and sleep soundly as a salesperson because I know I showed up truly to give someone the greatest gift of all. Finding themselves, finding the authentic truth that will unlock a transcended version of them. And so when you wonder why things like I was able to take 9 calls a day or 9 bookings a day, they didn't all always show up. I was able to do that for months and months on end. I loved selling. I never got bored. I didn't get wound up when I wasn't getting scriptless selling. Where did my well come from? My well of energy, my eternal spring. It came from the fact that I was like, God's work. That's what I'm fucking doing. You can't burn me out when my battery power is connected to him. I'm plugged into the infinite. You can try and drain me on a fucking endurance run. I will just outlast you. Because I don't think there's anything bigger if we multiply this out on a times population of Earth. So instead of viewing this as one individual, this is now a metaphor for what we're doing to the entire population, taking them from 1% truth to 100% truth, which is transcending the collective consciousness. Please try and put in the chat anything that you think is more purposeful than increasing the collective consciousness of the entire planet. You're just doing it one person at a time. Can't think of anything I'd rather do with my life. What else are you going to do? And the crazy thing, so that we all, again, stay reasonable, is you do this, you are the vessel, the steward of the most meaningful project of life, which is to raise up the level of consciousness of humanity. And you get a Ferrari to enjoy the ride. You get a nice watch. You get a nice house. Why not? If I'm busy doing some big boy work, why can't I have a Ferrari? I'd like a Ferrari. It's not one or the other, guys. It's you get this by doing this. I'm not saying go and be a monk, guys, and like just take sales calls, eating a grain of rice a day in the fucking Tibetan mountains and raise up the collective consciousness. I'm saying you do this and you can have the material life of your dreams. One without the other is not going to be very good. You get the Ferrari, but you're fucking doing some work that you find meaningless. Or, in my opinion, you're a Tibetan monk and you don't have the material life you want. I don't think either of those are the ultimate answer. I want both. I want to have the material life I want, become the person that drives the car, and I'm proud of myself, and I've found the highest level of meaning on the planet. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.